Okay guys, it's the next morning. I slept way too long to be honest, because the night with the rain kept me awake for way too long. But I'm gonna get on the track now, and I hope I can show you some of the sick views along the road. And the plan is to make 1 or 2 stops today, both waterfalls, so stay excited for them. First quick stop, because there's a really nice lookout, and last time I didn't stop for it. So let's take a look of the beautiful area here. Oh, wow. Gosh, that looks stunning. Oh, what an amazing view. Sadly confirmed the other lookout because my phone overheated, and I'm not gonna go back, but sick place and amazing view. And cows on the road. What up, broskies? Let's have a quick view intermission, and it's so worth it. Already over there looks really sick, but then yeah, let's continue the ride. Yeah, we've made it to the first stop, so let's check out the lookout and then have the little walk around here. I'm so excited, I can already hear it. There you can see the specks. Oh my god. Holy. What an insane waterfall. That one looks unbelievable in real life. And there's another one to the right. That one looks little in comparison. Holy. It looks like the water's falling in slow motion because it's falling so long. Wow. To my knowledge, that one is the tallest waterfall in Australia. So 269 meters. That's insanely high. Just absolutely stunning. That's one of the craziest, if not the craziest waterfall I've ever seen. Wow. But yeah, let's have the little walk, see what we can see along the way there, and then continue our way down the coast. Just such a stunning nature. Yeah, it's just fantastic. That gorge looks amazing with all the other little waterfalls too. But we're gonna go the steep track down now and get the good view of the Wallaman Falls from below. Okay, technical changes have been made. Other sunglasses, so I can listen to music. Other shoes. And the backpack with water and other drinks. So I'm prepared. Let's get down to the nice spot. Great, more stuff to get hurt by. As much as I love the tropical rainforest look, it's not getting colder when you're getting into the forest. It's because it catches the heat so much more. It's just warmer with higher humidity. Almost there, almost there. I can already hear it really loudly to the left. I think we might be able to see it soon. Really soon. Oh, it's so sick. Literally walking through the jungle, bottom of a waterfall. So cool. Wow. Oh yeah, let's get back up. Damn, it's really not the hike itself that's killing me right now, but the goddamn heat. I'm really not made for tropical temperatures. I definitely see that now. Even just the dry heat was killing me. But damn, over 30 degrees with that humidity. Oh my god, it's going into the bones. It's like I'm just slightly moving and I start sweating profusely. Oh, I feel disgusting. Okay, I'm at the part that I'm slowly getting out of the heavy, dense rainforest section, but it's just so warm. I wish there was some sort of breeze going along here, but no air. It's just standing still. But yeah, I know I'm almost done. Yeah, but it's views like these that always, all of it worth it. Yeah, almost done, and I'm so looking forward to the AC in the car. Oh yeah, I made it back to the car. I switched my shirt because the other one was soaked, and I'm done. That was exhausting. As you can see, I'm still dropping and dripping from everywhere, but that was still absolutely worth it. But let's get back on the way south. Yeah, now we're at the next destination, the Waterfalls. Not sure how they're gonna be now compared to the Wallaman Falls, which were just insane, but it's still gonna be really nice. A little walk through the rainforest area, along some beautiful vegetation to wind off the rest of the day. Yeah, let's do the little detour to the water and then come back up. Oh wow, that already looks sick. Whoa. Okay, that looks pretty cool. It just looks magical. So beautiful here. Let's continue. And you constantly, wherever you step, hear some sort of animal moving because of you. Sometimes I'm really curious what exactly is making that sound, but I think most of the times it's just some lizard running away from you. Oh, we're gonna cross the river again. Okay, now I'm curious. How can I do this with keeping my feet dry? I think I'm gonna go off the beaten path. Yeah, I think I've got better chances over here. Or do I? Out of the sudden, it doesn't really look like that anymore. Well, that jump was scarier than it needed to be. But at least it's gonna be easy from here. Step here, here, over there, and I'm on the other side. Made it! But yeah, that one jump in the middle just felt scary as fuck. But I made it to the other side, and it just continues to be really cool. Now the steady climb starts again. So let's go. But it's just 600 meters, I think. Okay, they actually look taller than I expected. So it's still gonna be a really sick view. And it seems like we're almost there. Beautiful. And we're almost there. Wow. That's pretty sick too. They were so nice too. Such a beautiful waterfall, especially like the different levels of it. And it's, yeah, it definitely was a worth stop. I thought it's gonna be like a small waterfall, but there was just multiple big ones. And yeah, just can't like compare it to the Wallaman Falls. They're just like an exceptional grade of waterfall. But this is still fucking insane. It's so beautiful. Yeah, the way I came isn't feasible to go back on, so I need to find another one. Keep you updated. Okay, I just found a massive fucking spider. Holy shit. That brother is massive. Yeah. I think I'll leave that bro alone. Wow. Okay. I took the same way back now. Was way better than I expected. Because I thought jump to that rock is gonna be annoying, but it worked better than expected. So let's get back to the car. Oh yeah, we're back in the car and now it's just the way to the campsite. Shouldn't be too far from here anymore. Maybe like an hour drive, something around that. And then it's gonna be it for this part of the road trip down. Yeah, we've made it to the campsite. I parked down there. It's called the Vincent Bushy Parker Reserve. And now I'm just gonna have a quick look at the creek here. And that's gonna be it for today. There's a turtle in the water. Look at that. River turtle. What a beautiful creek. So cool. That's such a nice way to end the day. That thing is filled with turtles. They're everywhere. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you're gonna keep up for the rest of the road trip. See you in the next one. Bye bye.